Hello and welcome to softexpert. Today in this short video you will learn how to get a proper domain name and hosting for a website, which is the first step to launch a website on internet. So if you are planning to have a website or want to buy a domain and hosting for a client, this video is for you. Now to create any type of website, you need a domain name and hosting. Domain will be your website unique name or URL that identify your website on internet. If users type in that URL in their browsers, they will land on your website. For example, if I type in this, it will take me to my website because this is my domain name. And hosting is just an online storage where your website files will be stored. On hosting, we can manage multiple websites, domains, emails, databases, and so on. You don't need to learn all these things. I'll keep it simple and let me show you how you can get started with your first website. Now there are multiple platforms that offer you domain and hosting. The platform that I recommend is Hostinger. And to get there, just click the first link in the description or type in this in your browser, which will take you to your country specific Hostinger like hostinger.com, .nl, .in, .au and so on, where you will see the pricing in your local currency and you can also pay with your local payment methods. And here you can scroll down and you will see the pricing plans. Now if you are planning to have a custom coded website or you want to use any other CMS, you can go with these plans. But this hosting is recommended for WordPress, as you can see here. So to get a proper hosting for WordPress, you can just go to WordPress here and then click on Manage WordPress Hosting. Now this will take you to Manage WordPress Hosting, built for speed. And again, here you can scroll down. Now if you have any questions about this hosting, you can just ask them, they will answer you properly. Let's close this for now. Here you can see the pricing plans. Now you can go with any of these plans based on your need and you can learn more about these plans here on this page. For example, in the first plan we can host up to 100 websites, we can have this much visitor monthly, this is the amount of storage we get, these are the number of files, and then we will get a free domain and then free build templates, a free automatic migration, unlimited SSL, which is the encrypted SSL certificate here, and this make your website secure and trustworthy. We also have free email like the domain name email, for example info@yourdomain.com, weekly backups and so on. And here we have daily and on-demand backups and so on. So you can learn more about these plans and you can choose the one that you need. And most of the cases this will work fine for you, so just click on choose plan. And it will take you to checkout page where you can buy this hosting for 1 month, 12, 24 or 48. So the more time you choose here, the more discount you will get. Again, scroll down. And here you can create an account using your Gmail or Facebook, or you can log in with your email and password. Then scroll down where you will see the hosting summary and you can pay for this hosting using these payment methods. And you will also see your country specific payment methods here, okay? Once you favor this hosting, then you can log into your dashboard. So let me log into my Hostinger account. And once you get that hosting, you will see a dashboard like this. Now once you buy this for the first time, you will see an option here to claim your free domain. So just click on it and then you can search for your business name or your name. Let me show you. If I go to domains, I'll click on get a new domain. And here I can search for any name like softexpert, and if I search it, you can see this is taken, so I can't take it. And there are some other suggestions like .tech, .support, .store. These are basically the domain name extensions that you can get. You can also get your country specific one, like this was not available, so I choose my country specific one, which is softexpert.pk. So here you can just get a domain name, okay? Let's go back to the home. And once you get your domain, then you can go ahead and click on manage in front of your hosting, okay? Which will open up a dashboard like this. Now this is my main website and I already have a WordPress website here. Now let me show you how you can install WordPress on your domain and then how you can set up your first website. So to install WordPress, I'll create a subdomain and will show you the process that you can follow for your domain, okay? So I'll go to domains, then subdomains. Here I already have these subdomains, okay? Let me create a new one like test. And this is my main domain and this will be the subdomain where I can host a new website, okay? So I'll just create it and subdomain created successfully. Let's see how we can install WordPress on it. So I'll go to WordPress again, then we'll click on overview. And as I said, I already have a website here, okay? Let me show you. And this is my main website here. And here you can change the main domain if you have multiple domains here, okay? And here you can change the subdomains. So I'll switch to this one. And for the first time, you can detect WordPress on your domain. I know I don't have WordPress installation on this domain, so I'll just click on install to install WordPress. And this will open up this pop-up where you can write the website title, the admin email, the admin username and password for WordPress, and then go next. So let me write it. I'll call this and this will be my admin email, the username and password. You can write any name and password here, okay? Then go next, where you can select WordPress version. The most recent one will be recommended and fine, so let's choose this. And then you can select a language, English is fine. Then these are requirements, so the disk space is enough, and also we have the maximum version of PHP. You can change it over here, but the 8.1 is fine for now. You can just go with the recommended one, okay? And then these are application updates for WordPress, so you can turn it off, or you can update to minor version or always update. This one is recommended, so let's choose this one, and then we'll click on install, which will install WordPress on this domain. You can follow this same procedure for your main domain. And that's it, WordPress is now installed. Here you can scroll down. This is force HTTPS, which is this lock icon, okay? If you want to force this on your domain, you can just enable it, but this is now in progress because we recently installed WordPress. If you want to enable maintenance mode on your website, you can just enable it. You can install this recommended plugin, which is for cache, and then WordPress updates, you can change them over here. And there is nothing to do here, so we can go to our WordPress dashboard to get started with our first website. Now to access your WordPress dashboard, just click on this admin panel, which will redirect you to your WordPress dashboard. And it will open up WordPress, where you can start installing a theme and plugins, and you can start building a website. And before that, there are a few essential steps that you can follow along, and you can clean up your WordPress dashboard. And the first thing is go to hosts, where you will see this hello world host. We don't need this, so let's delete it by clicking on trash. Then go to trash and delete it permanently. Same goes for pages. If you don't want to have this page, just delete it. Then go to appearance, and here you can just keep one theme, okay, for better security and speed, and you can delete the rest of the themes. By the way, you can add a new theme from here, or you can upload your premium theme. I already have showed you many themes in my previous videos. And to delete the theme, just click on it, then click delete and OK. Same goes for this one. Now we only have this one. If you want to install a new one, just click on add new, and you can choose from these themes based on your needs. And then go to plugins, and we don't need all these plugins. You can just select all. Then from bulk action, choose deactivate, apply, then again select all, and you can just delete them. And then click on apply, which will delete all these plugins. And lastly, go to settings. Here again you can change your website title and tagline that you will see on the browser here. You can add a site icon, and you can also change your admin email here, okay? But the recommended settings here is under permanence. Here you can choose post name and then click on save changes, and that's it. These are some essential steps to get started with your first website. Now how to install a theme and plugins and how to get started with your first website. Just go to my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress. You can search for a specific one like website. Here I have showed you podcast website, portfolio site, then again portfolio site, WordPress website, and so on. Photography website, online medical store, and so on. So you can watch these videos to get started with your first website. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Still, if you have any questions about this video, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.